Hello guys, Mel here with Abstract Fitness. So I want to do some exercise right here to get ready for the ski season or snowboarding season. I'm a skier and this is what I do all winter. This is what I like to do. You're going to need some equipment today. I want you to go with heavy weights. I just have 5 pounds here because I'm not at the gym right now. It's just to show you the exercise and I'm going to give you options. If you have an elastic band as well, please grab it. If you don't have one, don't worry. I have another option for you. Okay? So we're going to start with the wall squat. Optional to use weights. I'm going to be facing sideways, guys, because I want you to see as well my legs. Some people are doing it like that. This is hard for your knees. Make sure you have a 90-degree right here at your knees. And try to sit as low as you can. So if I would be at the gym, so I'm looking straight ahead, you put your weights right here on your thigh. When you start, don't put any weights, but probably I would have 30 pounds right here on my thighs. And you're going to hold it as long as you can. So try to bring your abs into your spine. You can bring the lower back probably against the wall, the back of your shoulders as well. And you just need to breathe. That's it. So try to hold it as long as you can. Because how long does it take us to go down the hill? Seriously, 10, 15 minutes? So try to build it up. Good. That's it. If we can hold it for 1 minute, it's going to be great. I feel it. If it's too much, you just come back. Okay? There we go. So I'm a personal trainer, guys, certified, and also a corrective exercise specialist. So I do that full time, and I love my job. There we go. Suck your tummy in, press your big toes right into the floor to lift your arch. Are you breathing? Good. And let's slowly push yourself or put your weights down and then push. Okay, let's do a cardio. I won't be able to jump very high here because the floor is going to vibrate too much and I know the camera is going to vibrate. But I want you to squat and jump each side. Make sure you're keeping your knees open. So same width that your hips. And up and up. You can do it for 30 seconds-ish. There we go. And up. If you want to tuck your knees, go for it. That's it. So working as well outer thighs, staying in the quads, glutes, hamstrings to help you to push. There we go. And again, it brings my heart rate up. That's good. 5, 4, 3, 2, and release. That's good. Let's go back again with the wall squat. Heavy weights if you can. And let's go. It's going to bring your heart rate down. Voila. Shoulders down and back. And look straight ahead. And just stay here. So suck your tummy in. Bring your lower back against the wall. Shoulders as well. Even your head. There we go. Breathe. Lower you're going, harder it is. Don't go lower than a 90-degree at your knees. Do you feel the burn? I feel the burn. If it's getting too much, push yourself. Release. If it's not enough, stay longer. Go deeper. Voila. Good job. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, release. Push the weights down and let's go back. Same thing. Squat, jump each side. Are you ready? Let's go down and up. That's it. So it's good to have strong outer thigh, strong core, better balance on your skis or on your snowboard. Again, 6, 5, 4, and 3, and 2, and last one. That's it, and release, and march it out. Okay, let's grab your weights again. We're going to do a deadlift. We're going to work hamstrings and your glutes. When I'm at the gym, I go heavy. Because think about it, guys. What is your biggest muscles? You're right here in your legs. So glutes are big muscles. Okay? So shoulders down and back. Keep your shoulders in the pocket the entire time and come back up to squeeze your glutes. Down to inhale. Exhale up and contract. Ready? Let's go. That's it. Inhale. Exhale up. So depends on the flexibility of your hamstrings here. That's gonna, you're gonna go down as much as you can. Just listen to the flexibility of the back of your legs. Good. I don't do one leg with heavy weight anymore because I have a fragile lower back and that's the best way for me to hurt myself. So I much prefer going heavy and both legs. Okay, can we go again for 4 and 3. That's it. Contract your glutes. And 2. And one more time. So this is way too easy for me with 10 pounds. Seriously. But I did my workout this morning and I was using a lot of weights. Let's go for skater. You're going to go side to side. And again, very good. Working your other thigh and cardio. Good. You can keep it lower back. You don't need to jump it out. That's it. Smile. Life is good. We're going to ski pretty soon. Good. This is just enough to bring your heart rate up as well. For me, that's the best way to work out. I don't have time to spend an hour at the gym, so I love alternating between cardio and exercise and release. There we go. It works. Let's go back again with your heavy weight deadlifts. Okay? With my 2 babies. Are you ready? Shoulders down and back. Let's go down. Shoulders in the pocket. Let's go back. Contract your glutes. Inhale. Exhale and contract. That's it. So slightly bend knees. If you have problem with your back, you can even bend your knees even more. It's going to help as well your hamstrings. Again. 4 and 3 and 2 and one more time. Good job and release. Now you're going to use your elastic band. If you don't have one, I have an option for you. You're going to do this one. So nice and tall. You're going to lift your leg to the side. If you need support, use one finger on the wall. Okay? If you have an elastic band, you're going to step on it right here. I have options again. Grab it shorter. Stand nice and tall. Okay? Or right here, you're going to put it behind your elbows. Stand nice and tall, contract your glutes. I don't want you to be like that to do it. Let's go to the side for 4. Stay nice and tall. I'm not swinging my body. 3, 2. Last one. Slightly bend knees. Let's go switch for 4. That's it. 3 and 2. Last one. Switch. 4, 3, 2. That's it. And switch again. 4. Feel the work in your outer thigh. I'm focusing a lot on that today. And again, 4, 3, 2. Do you feel that? And let's go again. One more. That's it. And slowly release. Okay, now you're going to need your mat. Use your mat. And we're going to do some core exercise as well. See you in a bit. Let's sit on the mat. And before you sit on the mat, or before you lay down on the mat, look what I'm going to do. I'm going to give you options again. So I'm going to work your transverse abdominis. It's the most important one we need to work on. I see people crunching all the time. You know what? You're working your 6-pack. What we need to work is deeper. So option 1, right here, abs are tight. You can even bring the pelvic floor up. And you're going to bring one leg at a time and slowly down and slowly up, keeping the lower back against the mat the entire time. Option two, bring both legs up, legs are together, and then you're going to drop one leg at a time. Okay? Inhale, exhale. Let's do it together. You choose the option you want. Here it's easier. Option two is harder. I'm going to go with option two. Legs are together, 90 degrees at your knees. Easier if you bring your knees closer to you. Harder if you bring your knees away from you. Let's go. Inhale, exhale. So I'm a Pilates instructor as well. So I know how to engage my abs. There we go. In 10, 9, 7. Keep your lower back against the mat. Abs are tight. So you're going to need to breathe mostly from here. So the upper portion of your lungs here. Good. I lost track. Let's go again. 3 and 2. That's it. And one more. And release. You can hug your knees right here into your chest. We're going to go back again. Up. Optional to use your weight. If not, you can do this one. Okay? Make sure you choose the other leg. We're going to go back again. Step on the bend. You choose your option. I prefer here because I know I can do it. Are you ready? Let's go. Step side and side. Stay nice and tall. I'm not doing that. That's it. Slightly bend knees and switch it up. 4, 3, 2. That's it. And again, switch. Can you hear the noise? Floor and bend. Are you starting to feel it in your outer thigh? Switch again. Let's do one more. Side. That's it. I feel it. Bravo. And slowly release. Let's go back on your back. You're going to choose option one or option two. Okay? Arms are by your side. Back of your shoulders in contact with the mat. Abs are tight. Slowly bring one leg at a time or bring both legs to start. Inhale, exhale to lower. Inhale to come back. If you want to do it even harder, keep your legs straight, but this time you're not dropping or you're not touching the floor. That's another good one. Good. I feel it. In 4, 3, and 2. That's it. And one more. Release, hug your knees into your chest. Good job. So I'm going to include a stretch right here at the bottom. Make sure you warm up before you start and then you stretch as well, just to avoid injuries. I don't want you to injure yourself and your ski season or your snowboarding season is going to be over. Okay? I have 2 more exercise planned that I like to create as well with you guys. So stay connected with me and see you soon.